door.
You guys, fine. It'll be just me and Sophia if you don't want to come in. Yes. Just wait, just wait. I just got a very good photo shot of your ass. I mean, of your video shot of your ass.
Yeah, this is totally normal.
This is very normal.
Perfectly normal.
Okay. Moving out.
My boobs will get stuck.
Just get your ass over here.
Okay. You're no gracious. Shut up. Okay.
Come on.
I'm gonna tell my mommy if you do.
Get over here.
My computer, so I'm probably gonna leave that one before I do.
Your boobs. I think I'm almost getting to being able to stop. Duck while walking. Grace can't get in. Her boobs. They're too big for her.
Her potato sacks.
Potato sack. Okay.
They are called
We are
now.
about to move in.
No, Jenna has named them pomegranate.
Potato sacks. Entering the cool school. Oh, don't. The basement. The bathroom. You're gonna attract attention to us. No, I'm going in. So you go out. Grace is a little wussy. Grace, you little wussy! You can just breathe. Oh, Jesus!
Guys, when I was walking out with my tongue sticking out, you guys, I've accidentally licked the door.
Ew. You're disgusting.
Why do we have to get out? This is totally just normal. My hands up there, everybody Dougie. No. Okay, let's give us our shout out.
There will be no Dougieing
There will be no Dougieing?
in the school.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. I don't know how to Dougie, so I can't teach you.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
I don't like being filmed because... Never mind.
God, my boobies are too big for me.
I think I'm looking more with the pink cap on. You just gotta give me that look. When you give me that look, all the paint is coming off. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. Like, my mind, like Pelican 5. You're so shy. I'm loving it time. You know, I really like him.
Like sicker than the guy with the thing on his eye.
Oh. Sticking in the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell me
who the F.I. is that M.
Nicki Minaj, back the juice up. Back the juice up and chuck the deuce up.
Before you got my heartbeat running over.
Hey, why don't we just skip to the rapping parts?
This is for the...
This one is for the boys of the
Brooklyn, I
Poland.
got you on tape picking out like a wedgie or some shit like that.
Oh,
no. Wait, do you have... And you were laughing.
Okay, this is the second rapping verse. This one is for the boys of the Poland. But I think I like him better when you don't. And I think I like him better when I put the cap on. You ain't gotta try to put the mac on. You just gotta give me that look.
I'm going to watch my TV show.
Oh. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know, I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, guys. You know, I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sick of the guys. I can see that you're in touch with the women guys. Somebody please tell me the F.I. is. I am Nicki Minaj. Back the juice up. Back the juice up and check the deuce up. Oh wow, I look amazing.